Hi y'all, welcome back to Nicole's DIY. You can see as I'm holding here in my hands this adorable Pete Bunny race car. And we are gonna do that together. If you'll stick with me, I'll show you how we're gonna make a couple different ones, different styles. So we'll be right back. All right, so what you're gonna need to make this adorable Pete Bunny car, race car, is you're gonna need Bunny Peeps, Marshmallow Peeps, Twinkies, pretzels. You do not have to have the yogurt white ones. You can get the plain regular pretzels. Mini Oreo cookies. Or if you can find plain little cookies, that's fine. Stick pretzels. And marshmallows for the wheels. All right, so we're gonna start with our first peep. You're gonna gauge it with your Twinkie, about there and here. Just a little bit, about halfway down, cutting into the Twinkie. I'm just gonna cut that little piece out right there. And we're gonna save this so we can use the cream to put the tires on for the other cookie ones that we're going to use for tires. But for now, we're going to go ahead, put your little peep in. So cute like that. Little steering wheel, like so. Upside down. You're putting the steering wheel upside down. Okay, because if not, when you do it like that, it just, I don't know, it kind of looks cute this way. But when you're doing it, you'll figure out what works. I'm using a score to go through where the tires would go for the stick of pretzels, okay? Pretzel sticks, that sounded backwards. In through there. And through here, voila. And I'm going to cut down in half for the tires, the marshmallows, okay? Our aunt had made these several years ago, and we had a picnic at Easter time at the park, and she brought dozens upon dozens of these, and I totally fell in love with them. I was so ecstatic. I was like, that has got to be the cutest thing I've ever seen. So I went on YouTube and figured out that a lot of people are doing them different ways, but they are so willing to share their information. So that's why I want to do this with y'all too. To share this. It's really cute and exciting. The kids just fell in love with it. I, as an adult, fell in love with it. I thought it was just the cutest thing I'd ever seen. Most people love Peeps. I know I do. So there you have it. We did our first little race car Peep. So cute. It's so adorable, isn't it? Look at that. Y'all can do this too. Now, you can put sprinkles on this pretzel for the steering wheel. You might want to just gently maybe use some of the cream from the filling and put it on the steering wheel and make it stick with little sprinkles. And I think we're going to do that in a minute with the other one, so I'll give you an example. So I'm going to put this down and we're going to get started on the other styles that you can do too, that I saw. And I thought you'd really enjoy that. So there you have it. When I saw these, I was like, how in the world did she do that? It was just so cute. You didn't realize how the marshmallow tires were gonna stick on, and then you figured, oh my goodness, there are pretzels in there. So that's what I wanted to share with you. It's really exciting, a really fun project to do with the kids, the grandkids, just kids in general. you have neighbors that want to come over and let's get this done, it's fun. So I'm going to get the sprinkles. All right, so let's go ahead and put some sprinkles on here. I'm going to take some of the inside filling from the Twinkie. Let's use my finger real quick. They're washed, my hands are washed. Always washing. I'm sure you could use a knife, something to attach that frosting. Clean my fingers off the wet paper towel. And then I'm going to put some sprinkles on here, okay? It's working. How cute is that? So if you want a steering wheel that has really cute sprinkles, that's how you do it. And I'm sure there's other ways to do it. You can melt the chocolate and then do it. It'll harden up. But if you don't have white chocolate and this is already done on the pretzels, the white yogurt, then you can put some sprinkles on there with the filling. Okay? That's what's going to hold it on. So we're going to save that for our next car. All right, so this next bunny car that we're going to make, we're going to use the mini Oreos for tires on this little car that we're going to use with the Twinkies. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and take that, just scrape that out, the filling, and we're going to use the frosting, the inside, or the filling, excuse me, from the Twinkie. And that's what we're going to get to stick on the tires, on the Twinkie. So go ahead and frost it a little bit. Get that another one open. And if you don't have kids or grandkids, that's okay. You can do it for yourself and your husband or your friend. Just, it's fun. All right. Now let's go ahead and cut the peep, the spot for the peep. Halfway down. You can use the peep as your guide. And then just gently pull that piece out right there. And you see all that filling? You can use that again for your other tire that needs the filling. There you go. So let's go ahead and put our little peep in there. And our cute little steering wheel. It's so cute. That is just stinking adorable. All right. So let's get this tire on there. Wow, worked perfectly. That is so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay. That is adorable. That is adorable. Zoom, 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 zoom. I mean, I love it. That is so cute. Look at the steering wheel. Look how cute that is. Look at the wheels. Y'all can do this too. All right. That is almost turning into a carousel of bunny peep cars, race cars. How cute is that? You can have this on display Easter morning, for yourself, for your husband, if you don't have kids around right now or grandkids. You can have fun with this. This is just so cute. All right, so we're on to our next race car. I hope y'all are enjoying these videos that I'm making. I really get a lot of joy out of doing them. I hope if this has inspired you to be creative in the kitchen with your family, that you would like and subscribe and share my videos. It would mean a lot to me. And if you have any questions, please go ahead and email me and I'll respond. Or you can comment me and I'll respond. I have a cute little idea. I would like to take some of this frosting, just a little, and I'm gonna put it on the car. Well, the Twinkie, just a little, okay? We're gonna jazz this up and make it look a little cute on the outside. What little girl doesn't want a sparkly car, right? Look how cute that is. That is so cute. Oh my goodness. We can be so creative with these. We'll do a little bit on the back. The way I'm looking at it, there's no limit to these cute things. You can do all kinds of cuteness with it. All right. I'm not doing it in any kind of order. Get a little bit of that filling in there. How cute, so cute. And cheery. This is just, it'll cheer anybody's day to see this. You have a loved one in a nursing home, go bring them something special like this. That'll just make their day, bless their heart. If you have family members that you haven't seen in a while, go bring them a couple of these cars, package it up cute. It will make their day. All right, there you go. Thank you so much for staying with me during this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed making them with you. If you have any other suggestions on how you've made these, anything different, I'd love to hear about it. Share it with me, and let's just do new creative things together. Thank you so much, and you have a blessed day, and thank you. Bye-bye. Give y'all one more look. Look how cute that is. Happy Easter, y'all. Be blessed.